up, guys? We're here at the terminal. Everything I needed to do, I got done. We're waiting for a load. Me and my trainer. He's off going, saying what's up to one of his friends at another truck. Our truck just got washed. She's looking clean. So I just put on my stuff in the front seat of the truck, and I guess I gotta put my stuff up onto my bunk and get some things ready for where I'm gonna be sleeping. So here I am in the truck, inside the truck. Finally, I'm able to get this video because we're not driving, we're not moving. So just wanted to show you guys a little bit of what the truck. So that's the driver's seat, obviously. The driver area, steering wheel, all that good stuff. You guys know stuff. That's the Qualcomm. That's how we communicate with dispatch. That's one of my boss's cell phones. That's the passenger seat. This is all my crap. Got a lot of storage area up here. We got the refrigerator, the microwave. That's my bunk. That's where I will be sleeping. That's my trainer's bunk. It's bigger, it's nicer. It's his truck, he gets that one. My trainer's cabinet space. Everything is his cabinet space, I guess, right? I love that light. I got surround sound speakers. So, we're looking pretty good. I gotta work on putting all this crap up wherever I can fit it. And what's up, guys? So we've been on the practice pad for about 3 hours, practicing backing. I'm getting pretty decent at it, actually. I'm pretty confident. My trainer says that I suck. I'm just kidding. He doesn't say that I suck. He's being pretty cool about it. So just had some lunch, late lunch. Gonna get my stuff organized in the truck. Gonna sleep in the truck for the first time tonight. I'll have you guys around for that. So we're just gonna sit here and have lunch for a little bit, and probably hit up Walmart and get a few things. So that's how it is right now. Let's ask Trucker Crespo. What's up, bro?
Not much.
So the people at home want to know, how's Gonzo doing, man? How am I making it?
It's hard, bro.
How bad do I suck?
He sucks hardcore. Nah, he's doing really great. I'm actually been glad he's my first student. He's learning and he's taking advice and following through, and he's coachable, so it's good.
As long as I can stop turning the wheel while I'm rolling, right?
Yeah, or at least stop rolling.
Or at least stop rolling. Okay. It's hard to stop rolling when you're as round as I am, bro. So.
I know the feeling.
So what do you think is the plan for tonight and for tomorrow?
Maybe a little more quiet time before we head out for our first load. We're going to Arkansas. You're going to drive the whole time.
Of
For
course.
a speed trip. And, it's a good little run. It's not fast. It's not far, but
Yeah.
you'll like it.
Cool, man. Alright. So shout out your YouTube channel, bro.
Oh yeah, Trucker Crespo. It's in Spanish, but I will start putting some English videos up now.
We gotta represent the red, white, and blue and our country, bro.
Yeah, well mine is red, white, and blue too, so.
That is true. The red, white, and blue and the red, white, and blue.
Yeah.
Alright, bro. Appreciate you, man. So there you see it. I'm not doing that bad. I'll hit you guys up once we're in the truck again. So I just got putting up most of my crap in the truck. I'm in the truck right now. This little cabinet here is what I have to put stuff in. So I got a lot of clothes in there. I got the iPad right there. I got the computer over here. I got some stuff there at the foot of my bed that I do not have, I'm gonna need if I'm here in bed. I know, I'm fat. Anyway, I'm just super psyched to be up here, and I'm a little tired. It's a little cozy in the truck. All those people that talk about living in tiny houses and oh my God, it's so awesome. You don't have to be very hipster to do that. Truckers do it every day. Truckers live in a tiny house with bunk beds. So it ain't that special. Anywho. Yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little update. I'll take you guys on a tour of the truck. I did not think that I would get this tired putting all this stuff up, but I did. So I'm just gonna lay here for a bit while my trainer does laundry. Oh, this is my pillow. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna chill out and I will talk to you guys later. All right, peace guys. Remember, if you're gonna go with Gonzo. Okay guys, I promised you I'd show you around the truck and the things that I've done. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So first and foremost, this right here is my cabinet. It's my cubby. And my trainer's letting me put my stuff there. So I have pants, I have undergarments and toiletries in here. I got some medicine. I got my some entertainment stuff in there, which should probably go here so it doesn't fall. And that's that. Up here is my bunk. Now I've got my sleeping bag and some extra stuff in my duffel over there. I got my towel and some extra clothes in that backpack that I'm using as a pillow. And here I've got the iPad. And I've got my cell phone mount up here so I can have my cell phone up there when I'm laying down. This is really cool right here. You can't really see it because it's not very bright, but this ladder extends and that's how I get up there. That ladder's rated for 400 pounds, so it's good. I don't want you guys making fun of me saying, oh, Gilbert, you're too heavy for that. Anyway, my trainer hasn't cleaned out his bunk yet. He's awesome. But he is doing a lot to make me feel comfortable in the truck, and he's been really awesome about it, and I really appreciate him. I showed you guys earlier, we got the microwave here, we got the refrigerator, we're gonna have extra stuff in here. This is his TV, which is really cool. This is his bunk, which I'm not gonna show because he might get upset at me because it's a little bit messy, but it's okay. Obviously, I showed you guys up here earlier. We got storage space up here. Obviously, the driver's seat, the passenger seat. It's a little bit of a mess right now because I had to take plastic off of the mattress up here on my bunk. I had some stuff that I had to take out of the packages, so there's some trash there. I'm gonna throw that away here in a bit. So, that's for you guys today. I'm here at the terminal and just wrapping it up. I'm gonna head back to the truck, maybe about another hour, and go to sleep. Hook up to a load tomorrow morning and head out. You guys have fun. I'll see you guys tomorrow.